My name is Micah DeForge. I'm the executive producer for the Jackalope Block Party Ventura. As we were looking for a new destination on the West Coast for Jackalope, we stumbled upon the team for VisitVentura and then really figured out that this was the perfect match made in heaven, given the culture, the history of skateboarding and surfing. As we kept going and digging into the culture, we found that this is the fit. And we're really stoked to say that Ventura is our home on the West Coast because we really share the same vibe and the same level of love, I believe, towards action sports and more specifically skateboarding, which makes it super cool. What makes me come back, it's been a couple trips now and it's our first year. It's the inaugural edition of Jackalope Block Party, but we can't wait to see the people come and really be part of this experience because there's a true understanding and a true culture for skateboarding in California, but more specifically in Ventura. And every time we've engaged or talked or skated the local skate parks or talked with the skate shops, you could tell that they're passionate about it. And for us, Jackalope, this passion is real. And that's really what we are stoked to really kind of keep promoting and bring this level of energy to the crowd for this edition.
I think Jackalope and Ventura fits so much together. It's part of the Jackalope DNA, everything that comes from California. So skate culture, surf culture, the chilling vibe and everything. So I think that was just meant to be. Jackalope plus Ventura equal love, baby.
I mean, why not pick California? I don't know, California is a hub for the skateboarding culture, and yeah, I feel like it's a fit for Jackalope.
I would say it's the most scenic venue with the best community.
Yeah, really like a movie-like experience.
So excited that Canada is sharing this incredible opportunity with the state of California. I look forward to all the thrills and excitement that are coming over from Canada here to California.
Ventura is a place to be, for real. Beautiful weather, blue sky, it's sunny every day, and you can skate, surf, and you're close to all the major cities. So super stoked to be here and can't wait to be back. It's been a true honor to be welcomed with the red carpet treatment. We've arrived at first site check, and even we were exploring a partnership, and there was already gift, hugs. There's a true sense of community and belonging here that it's pretty rare nowadays to find in cool communities such as Ventura. So for us, when we arrived the first day and did that site check, and then we walked around, and I remember vividly, I was sitting on the patio right next to me, and we were visiting a bunch of different sites, and as we were grabbing lunch, we looked at this beautiful site behind me and we're like, this is it. This is where the magic is gonna happen. Jackalope Block Party, Ventura. I think Canadians would love to come to Ventura and come for Jackalope Block Party or just come and check it out other times of the year. Given, it's super cold in the winter and right now, we're still in the early spring days, and for a lot of our Canadian folks that are here with us this weekend, this is refreshing. But you guys are blessed. You have this type of weather all year long, and for us, I think it's just the perfect combination of being on the West Coast, close to the ocean. You got the skate culture, you got the surf culture, and you have the beautiful weather. So I hope our Canadian friends come year after year, and we already have some of our athletes and some of our partners that are here. Can't wait for them to give us their honest takeaway, but I think they're gonna love it.